Been doing everything and still can't get the result you want? Don't give up. People often give up because they can't see the result they want. Be patient. Come on and let me share with you a few things you can do to achieve your goals effectively. Hi, I'm Jason and I'm back again to share with you a few tips you can use to achieve the things you want to do. You got to be patient. Big things take time to build. Check your course, check your plan, check your outcome and believe in your outcome. Are you doing the best practice? Are there any other ways which might work better for you? Check the quality of your practices. Are you doing it right? What is stopping you from doing it better, faster and smarter? Perhaps there is some skills that you can pick up. It's okay to pause sometimes and check on your resources. Next, we check the quantity. Are you doing your best? Can you do it more often? Or you simply need to push harder each time you do it? Besides doing, you need to check what are the things you need to stop doing. Why? So you can have more time, more energy and more resources to do the things that you need to do. Check on the things you need to be focusing on instead. Focus on one thing at a time and in no time you'll be finishing many things. A quick note though, as every small steps will take you there, every opposite steps will pull you further away from your goals as well. Be careful of what you are practicing and how you are practicing, because eventually you will be very good at what you practice. If you always find an excuse to give in every situation, fantastic, you'll be very good at it. If you always focus on looking for solutions, you'll be very good at overcoming challenges and solving problems. Follow our page for more Facebook updates and more videos to come. Let's see what you've practiced.